Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. A wood and concrete kitchen brings together the perfect balance of warm, natural textures and sleek, industrial elegance. The richness of wood adds warmth and depth, while concrete surfaces create a modern, sophisticated edge. Whether you love the look of raw, unfinished materials or prefer a more refined take on this trend, a wood and concrete combination creates a visually striking and highly functional space. A kitchen designed with wood and concrete isn't just about style. It's about crafting a space that feels both inviting and modern. The contrast between warm wooden cabinetry, rustic shelving, and smooth concrete countertops or flooring brings a beautiful blend of organic charm and contemporary simplicity. In today's video, we'll explore stunning wood and concrete kitchen looks, featuring design inspiration, material combinations, and expert styling tips to help you achieve this timeless aesthetic. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this visual journey of wood and concrete kitchen ideas. hope today's video inspires you to create a kitchen that feels sleek yet cozy, modern yet timeless. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Until next time, keep designing a home that tells your story, fills your heart with joy, and makes every day feel a little more special. See you soon.